Hello everybody, this is episode 2, part 333. Okay, this time first comes Charlotte. First comes Hurley. Hi. You're not Hurley, are you? Get away. Hurley. And Tuck versus Tuck. Hi, Mommy. Begin. Tuck, I want you to go first, okay? This isn't a trick, is it? No. Okay, I think I give up. I surrendered. I surrendered. I'm gonna use my triple duper fart attack. Oh my God! And where is he? Okay. Yeah. Hold him up. Who's my penis? Did you just say what I think I just said? She did. Whatever. Okay. Okay, next battle. Blaster. Hi, everybody. Hi. Versus Ming Ming. No, turn it sideways again. Ming Ming. Stop. You're not. Sunday, Juarez. Who's she love? Right, Juarez? No. Tomorrow? No. Next day? No. Next day? No. 3 hours later. Next day? No. If you say it one more time, I am never going to tell you. But when? Never. When for me? Never. When for us? Never. When for me? Just to get on with the... Oh shoot, the video has to go off early, I think, because the battery's low. God damn! But in the next part, after I switch batteries, we'll go down to... Yeah! But in the next part, we'll go and switch... But before we start the next part, we'll go switch the batteries. Okay? Bye-bye. Bye. I hate myself for this.